Hello, I'm John Butler, Director of Hypnotherapy Training International. I've been asked about our classes, who can benefit from them. Our classes in transforming therapy can benefit every human being, and of course specifically hypnotherapists who want to learn about hypnotherapy at the most advanced levels, how to really take their skills to the next level, to appreciate the depth and power of transforming therapy. It means to understand about the motivating factors in the subconscious, to be able to get to those levels, to be able to bring out the person's potential, to clear the blocks and the barriers. And the development of transforming therapy has been created over nearly 60 years, and it has been the seminal form of hypnotherapy from which many others have developed. We have been teaching and developing it now in many countries over many years. And we've trained many psychotherapists, many hypnotherapists, hypno-coaches. We've worked with many psychiatrists and healthcare professionals, helping them understand about the power of the mind, the power of the subconscious potential within all of us, and how to bring that out with the client for the client's benefit. So taking your clients to their highest levels of performance and achievement is then something you can really make happen for you in your training. Our classes are designed also for the development of the therapist. The therapist learns to understand themselves, working on their own therapeutic traits, working on their own goals and issues for their lives. All of these things are an essential part of transforming therapy. It's experiential, it's existential therapy, dealing with the present and clearing the baggage from the past, so that the present can really be lived to the fullest. And anybody who is out there who's interested in learning about the power of the human mind, who wants to understand their own mind and release its potential and achieve the goals that they've chosen for their lives, I believe you will gain an enormous amount by coming to these classes. So I hope you'll take the opportunity to come to our classes. I look forward to seeing you at one of these classes in the near future. Thank you very much for listening and watching.